Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the Facebook like element. The Facebook like element allows you to integrate a like button for your Facebook page. Here I have a Facebook like element on the page. Let's walk through the options the element has to offer. First, we have page URL. For demo purpose, I use the Shopify Facebook page URL here. Next, you can select the layout for the element to standard, to button layout, to button count layout, or to box count layout, like this. You can select the action to be like or to recommend. Then you can select the size for the widget to be small or to be large. You can also enable or disable the share button. And it looks like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.